Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am back with another good news. We have Zoha Alam here, who got shortlisted with Indigo Airline as a flight attendant. Oh, wow. It's like a great achievement for Atina's fraternity as well. Zoha, how do you feel about it? I have been feeling wonderful. Like, ever since I got selected after the interview, it has been so much more different and amazing. I feel absolutely thrilled and grateful, especially to this Academy Athena's fraternity and to all my instructors, especially you, Reni Mama. Thank you, dear. Yeah, and I'm really, really excited and I look forward to my role as a cabin crew. Wow. So, like, your gratitude to already been shared. Now, let's help our viewers in something because you have given your interview recently, right? So in the month of November, I think she gave the interview. Last month, yeah. Correct. Let's understand what happened in the interview, okay? So what was the rounds about? Okay, so there were 5 rounds in total. The first round was group interview. Second round was communication, BMI, personal interview, and then at the end they finally take the final round. Yeah, the final round. Okay. So can we highlight in this video a little about group interview? Sure. What went there? Okay. So the first interview was group interview and they called 15 people and they asked one question, the same question to everybody. Okay, may I know what was the question? The question was, what are the pros and cons of being a cabin crew? And some of the people, like the ones who they were interested in, they asked them a few more questions. Oh, really? What was the second question? The second question was, why do you want to join Indigo? Oh, wow. So the answer for why is never ending. So guys, in life also, if you're stuck somewhere, आप why का answer ढूंढ लो and things would be super cool, yeah? Right? I agree. So how did you manage to give answers? Like, it was only the answers which helped you selecting it? Or you think body language played some important role? Something that I have learned from Athena's fraternity and all my instructions, especially Reshma ma'am you, is that body language is really, really important. It plays a very crucial role in interviews. So it's 20% communication and 80% body language. Wow, she remembers actually what I taught you. Oh my god. All right. They check here, you have to be confident when you go there. It doesn't matter if you're nervous. You can't show it on your face. You have to walk with confidence. So they like that. They like the confidence. So in total, you have to be just confident. How about the posture and things like that? How does it work? Firstly, you need to make sure you're very well groomed. And as my grooming classes were absolutely amazing. And so I was very well groomed. And you need to have a good posture. You need to speak with poise. And you need to be confident in what you're saying. You need to mean what you're saying. Really? Yeah. Yes, that makes a difference actually. So I think let's put it this way. So it can't be you're thinking something inside and when you talk, it's something different. You should be transparent with the interviewer. Yeah. Whatever is it, you should be on your face and that makes the process easier for the interviewer as well as for the interviewee. So you already got the offer letter, right? Yeah. And she's flying tomorrow to Delhi. Oh, yay! I'm so happy, but I'm full of tears. Happy tears, in fact. One of our bestest student is going to the training now. Indigo iFly Training Academy. Oh my. Such an honor to be a part of such a reputed airline, especially Indigo. So I'm so grateful for the trust they have placed in me. Wow, lovely. And we wish आप सिर्फ cabin crew तक ना रुकें. I want you to see in the position of lead cabin crew also. We wish you a pleasant and safest journey throughout. If there's any assistance, please do contact us anytime. We're just like your good buddies and a good guide, okay? Thank you so much. We wish a really happy career for you. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Guys, if you want to know more about interviews and cabin crew and ground staff, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And your Reshma would be back with more good news, with more Zoha Alams in future. All right, see you then. Bye-bye.